Hello engineers, in this video we will discuss about the how can we replace proximity sensor with limit switch. In industry we have to replace proximity sensor with limit switch and limit switch with proximity sensor. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, how to do the connection, that we must know, right? So what we will discuss in this video, we will discuss about the how to replace proximity sensor with limit switch first of all, and after that we will discuss that how to replace limit switch with proximity sensor. Got it my points? Let's suppose if sometimes you have the limit switch, okay, now you do not have the limit switch, so you can replace it with the proximity sensor if there is the its requirement. Got it my points? So how we will do that we will learn in this video step by step. So let's start the video. Now here we have the proximity sensor of 24 volt, okay, and the connection I has already done, right? But I'll show you the connection how I have done that. First of all, see here, I am giving the 24 volt to my proximity sensor from the power supply, and here you can see the two wire, that is blue and brown one, okay, and here you can see that your black wire, okay, that is a feedback wire, which you can see here. This one is my black wire, that is a feedback wire. I have connected this one at the A1 terminal of the MY2N relay, and this blue wire is your 0 volt wire that I have connected at the A2 terminal of your MY2N relay, okay, and this relay is also a 24 volt relay. Got it my points? In our upcoming video we will also discuss about the relay as well, okay. Now here you can see the contactor, okay, and in contactor that is a 220 volt contactor, and here I have given the neutral direct, okay, the neutral I have given here directly, and this line and neutral wire I have connected to the power supply. Got it my point? Okay, and here from the MCB I have given the one line wire to the common terminal of the relay, okay, and its NO, okay, its NO that I have connected to the A1 terminal of your contactor. Okay, I hope you got my point till here. Okay, so with the help of your sensors, what will happen that first of all your relay will be on, and after that the contactor will be on. Got it my point? First of all relay, then contactor. Okay, now we will discuss about the limit switch, means how to replace with the limit switch. Got it my point? For that what we'll have to do, first of all I'll cut the power, and after that I'll remove the here the line wire to the common terminal and the NO from the relay. Got it my point? So first of all I'll remove this wire, and I'll simply, when I'll use the limit switch, so limit switch can be used for the both, means your AC supply and for your DC supply, because it is a electromechanical switch. Okay, so for that I do not require here the relay, power supply and the your proximity sensor. Got it my point? Because why proximity sensor is not required? Because we are replacing it with the limit switch. So now what I'll do, I'll simply remove the limit switch here, the cover here you can see that I'll remove it first of all, and after that I'll do the connection. Okay, so here you can see that in the limit switch also there are two terminals. The first one is your NO, and after that the NC terminal. Okay, so I'll do here the connection, and after that I'll show you. Okay, so here you can see that my this wire, okay, A1 terminal wire is so short, so I'll make this wire little bit long. So here I have done it. Now I'll simply connect this wire to the my NO terminal. Okay, at the one side of the NO terminal I'll simply connect this wire here, and after that, after I have connected this wire, I'll connect my this wire to the second terminal of my NO terminal, right? So you can simply see here that I have also connected here, right? Now both wire I have connected here. Okay, now simply I on the power here. Okay, so now see, as I on my limit switch, so what will happen that my contactor will be on, right? And as I remove it, so my contactor will be off. Just I'll on it, so my contactor will be on, otherwise my contactor will be off. Got it my points? Please understand it very carefully, because this is very simple, and sometimes I see that People are and students are always very confused about it, but no, it is very simple. Now if you want to replace this limit switch with the proximity sensor, so simply you can do what you will have to do. Simply you will have to remove these two wire from the anode terminal of the limit switch, and you will have to place that wire at the MY2N relay. Got it my points? And the connection will be remain same as it was earlier, right? In our case, we have the 3-wire and PNP proximity sensor. Okay, in your case it may be 2-wire, 4-wire and 5-wire, it depends on you, but the connection will be same. Okay, so please understand the basic here. Okay, if you understand the basic, so you can simply do the connection. Got it my point? So I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt in this video, let me in the comments box. I read your all comments, and if you will have any doubt, I'll definitely give the reply as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning.